Guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about what should be the perfect length for your YouTube video. Guys, you might have already think about that I am into tech review category or I am into education category, and what are the perfect video length or video timing in my niche or in my category. Well guys, I'm going to answer that question in this particular video. So let's start with the first slide where I have simply mentioned. So is there any straightforward information about the video length? The simple answer is no. There is no any specific answer or any specific information that the video length should be this much or this much on in those category on those categories. No, there is no any specific information, but it is totally upon the uh, experience of about different YouTubers, right? And as you know, we are into YouTubing from quite a long time. Also, we have an agency, so we provide consultancy to different YouTubers in different industries. So we do have an idea that what can be the perfect length or perfect timing for your YouTube video in different categories, right? Although definitely there are some exceptions, but still I'm just talking about the general length of your videos in the category, right? So let's start with the second slide, and here I have mentioned that some tips for you according to the video niche. So let's start from the very first category, and that is unboxing, tech or tips. So if you are into tech review or kind of unboxing, then the video length should be less than 10 minutes, because the viewers are not there to see you, they just want to know the features of that product, or they just want to know about that product only, not about you. So 10 minutes would be the best length in which you can quickly describe, or in which quickly you can reveal the feature, all the features of that particular product, right? After this, we do have food recipes and food tips. In that kind of category, or in this kind of category, again, less than 10 minutes would be the perfect timing, because people don't want to see long cooking videos or cookery videos. They just want to know the recipe, that how you have created or how you have cooked that item, right? Or extra details can be mentioned in the video or in the description part, right? Now after this, third one is roasting, comedy or meme kind of videos. So in that category, in roasting or comedy category, 10 to 15 minutes is the perfect timing, because people do enjoy roasting and comedy kind of thing. So 10 to 15 minutes is the perfect timing, because they don't have more than that much time to get entertained. Yes, so 15 minute, 10 to 15 minute of dosage of comedy or roasting would be the perfect thing, right? After this, education. So in education category, people can spend up to 60 minutes as long as you are providing value in the content, because in the education category, they are not there to get entertained, or they are not there to learn about any product or tech. The audience who engage with this kind of content, educational content, are totally serious about the knowledge which they want to gain from the channel, right? So 60 minute or less than 60 minute would be the perfect timing. Although there are, again, as I told you, that there are many exceptions as well. Like if you go through our channel, in our channel there are many videos which exceeds the limit of 60 minute, right? There are 6-hour video, 10-hour, 12-hour video as well in the channel, and they are getting good amount of views, acceptable amount of views. They are not time wasters. And why it is, or why our videos are getting good amount of views which are more than 60 minutes, because we are providing value in it. That's why, right? Now after this, news and current affairs. In news and current affairs, 8 to 12 minutes is the perfect option, because while traveling or in the morning, people do want to listen about the thing or the activities which are going around, right? So news, or whether it is current affair, you can explain all these things in 8 to 12 minutes perfectly. After this, we do have next slide, where beauty and fashion category, right? In beauty and fashion category, again, 10 minutes would be the perfect timing, because again, people's or even girls don't have that much time to spend, right? Although they like to watch these kind of content, but 10-minute would be the best video timing, right? After this, restoration and repairing videos. There are many restoration and repairing videos in YouTube, right? And in that category, 20 to 30 minute would be the perfect timing, but it depends on the product or what type of item you are restoring, right? It can be mobile, it can be home decoration, vehicle, or any kind of other customization part. So it totally depends on the product, that how much long video you can create on that product, right? After that, YouTube vlogs. In YouTube vlogs, less than 20 minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, 12, 13, 14, or maybe 15 minutes would be the perfect timing for a vlog. And in that 15 to 20-minute timing, you can sum up your whole day, because blogger mostly creates daily vlog, and people do like to watch these vlogging videos. But the thing is, you don't have to exceed the limit, because if you are exceeding the limit, that means you are making your vlog boring, and if the vlog is getting boring, then definitely your audience will leave, right? So keep it concise, like 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes maximum, right? After this, we do have health and fitness. In health and fitness, 10 to 15 minutes would be the perfect video timing, because people do want to know about their health and how to get fit. So if you are creating a content between 10 to 15 minutes, that would do great on YouTube. After this, music, song, poetry, and entertainment. In music and song, you know that less than 5 minutes, it's the perfect thing. Although again, there are some exceptions. There are songs which exceeds the limit of 5 minutes, like 8 minute, 10 minute, even 12, 13 minutes as well, but those are exceptions, right? Mostly or majority of the songs, poetry, musics are under 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, right? Now, book reviews. So book reviews, I would say that 10 minute or less than 10 minute, even you can go up to 6-7 minute would be the perfect timing, and in that time frame you can properly explain a book or a movie, right? So I hope you understood that how much long your YouTube video should be, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.